Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. Today we are doing an oil change on a big truck, on a Ford F350 with the 6.2 V8. This is a gas motor. This is not a diesel truck, although it is massive and probably should have been a diesel. I mean, this thing it's huge. I mean, I'm tall, but like to my chest. So we're gonna do an oil change on this thing. And because this thing is lifted, I will not need a jack. I could just get underneath it with my dolly rolly thing. Oil change on a truck like this is actually pretty darn straightforward. So we are from the driver's side, and there is our drain plug. Right next to it is the oil filter. So you might be able to do it if you don't have a lift kit, but you might need to jack up the truck. My challenge will be with the lifted truck is actually aligning the catch pan with the stream of oil that's going to dump out. You will need a 16mm socket or wrench to get the drain plug out. Once you have drained the oil, you could put the drain plug back in, and then you could unscrew the oil filter. Keep in mind that the old oil filter is gonna have oil in it. So what you wanna do is loosen it and then let the oil drain as much as it can, and then fully take off the oil filter. There's my old filter. I'm actually using an OE Motorcraft filter. And what I always do with filters is put oil on this gasket here, put some oil on the thread, and actually drop maybe an ounce or so of oil inside the filter itself. I am now underneath the truck. There is our oil filter housing. I got this new oil filter all lubed up, and then we just spin it on. I want to just do it hand tight. And I am ready to pour fresh oil into the motor. Just as it says on the oil filler cap, Ford likes 5W20, and we are using full synthetic oil. You will need 7 quarts of fresh oil. I will do about 6.5 quarts and then let the truck run for maybe 30 seconds or so. We will check for leaks, if there's anything dripping, if I didn't tighten something hard enough, and then the truck will sit for about 5 minutes. And using the oil dipstick, I will check the level and add if necessary. Fresh oil is in, truck has been started, it ran for a little bit. I put 6.5 quarts in it, which was between the lines for my truck. Very easy procedure, very inexpensive if you do it yourself. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Consider subscribing, consider giving this video a thumbs up. As always, I will see you guys in another video.